How's it going? This is Jason Ketchmark from MySpace for Musicians. That's MySpace, the number 4musicians.com. I'm sure you've heard about MySpace. Everybody has, and most likely everybody you know probably has a profile. So if you don't have a MySpace profile, it's time for you to get one. And I'm going to show you some quick tips on how to set up your profile. First, we want to start by opening your internet browser, and let's go to MySpace.com. First, we're going to start by going to your browser and opening up MySpace.com. Let's click on Sign Up. Now, something to keep in mind that when you click Sign Up, it automatically assumes you want to make a personal profile. However, as you can see over here, we have different types of MySpace profiles. The most common would be musician, and then also there's comedian and filmmaker. So, it's kind of best if you are a musician, you're looking to load music to your page, or you're a comedian, or whatever it may be, to choose the profile that's right for you. In this case, we're going to make a personal profile. So you want to just fill in the form. Let it guide you. Use the basic information. First things first, let's put our email in there. And as you can see, it's already selected, but we'll type it anyways. And then check that you agree to the terms of service and hit sign up. Okay, so now you have a MySpace account. So we're going to sign into our account. And this is your MySpace homepage. This is where you could basically click on any of the tabs to edit your profile, change your settings, and pretty much anything else on MySpace. So first things first, you're probably going to want to pick your MySpace URL. Now, what that basically is that instead of having this long URL to get to your page, you could simply put myspace.com/MySpace for Musicians, or Jason, or your name, or whatever. This makes it a little bit easier, so that way when you put your MySpace either on another website or give your MySpace URL out, people are going to find it and they're going to get to it easy. That is how you set up a MySpace page. I'm Jason Ketchmark from the MySpace for Musicians.